began my love affair with water. On the riverbank with all my friends, a big old rope tied to land, and you're a big old wuss if you don't jump